H.Turner National Medical Research Center for Children's Orthopedics and Trauma Surgery is the only innovative and oldest specialized medical institution in Russia. Every year the doctors of the center provide outpatient consultative care to 45,000 young patients and perform over 8,000 surgeries. This refers to absolutely any orthopedic disorder or injury. The center is staffed with nearly 1,000 top-class specialists, 9 clinical departments, including the Department of Anesthesiology and Intensive Care, 11 assisting and diagnostic departments. Author's methods for the treatment of the most severe disorders of the musculoskeletal system in children are a brand identity of H.Turner Center. Operations are performed in children according to the patent methods. One of the advantages of the center is highly modern technical equipment. Many orthopedic surgeries are performed using 3D navigation computer technology. Today, the center actively uses the methods of 3D prototyping with making various models on a 3D printer. H.Turner Center has a clinical diagnostic laboratory, a molecular genetics laboratory, and a laboratory for physiological and biomechanical studies. Modern radiological diagnostic techniques are also widely used. There are specialized centers within H.Turner Center. Consultative and Diagnostic Center is a unique orthopedic and trauma institution for the country, where you can get a comprehensive picture of the child's health and recommendations for further treatment at one place in just one day. The Centers for the Treatment of Juvenile Arthritis and the Treatment of Scoliosis have long taken a prominent stand in the medical community of the country. The specialists of the local arthrogryposis center were in fact the first to prove that such a severe diagnosis as arthrogryposis is not a death sentence at all. Pinna Bifida Center also deserves special attention. Every day the doctors treat here children who previously seemed hopeless. Federal Center for Children's Trauma Surgery and Federal Center for Spine and Spinal Cord Injuries are the units which have already been fully appreciated by all specialized hospitals in Russia. Another know-how of H.Turner Center is the hospital school. During the classes, young patients who need a long, sometimes a month-long stay in hospital can complete a school program for the 1st to the 11th grade without leaving the hospital if necessary. The center annually holds many scientific and practical conferences with an international participation. Turner Readings Conference is the largest one. In addition, the local research equipment sharing center actively investigates new methods of treatment of the most severe musculoskeletal disorders. The experimental laboratory of the local research equipment sharing center is one of the few where research in animals can be conducted in compliance with all the rules and regulations. Every year, specialists of H.Turner Center publish over 50 articles and manuscripts in leading professional journals and books. In recent years, 170 patents for various innovations, surgical techniques and therapy methods of musculoskeletal disorders have been obtained.